Here's a short video to show how to use the Windows emoji keyboard. So if you have a Windows computer, you can access this by pressing the Windows key and the full stop or period key at the same time. So let's say you're completing a quiz and you have a particular question and you've worked out an answer, but you need to use some superscript numbers or some squared terms, things like that. And your answer is 10 meters per second squared. Now you can type it in and perhaps you might do it like that, but you might say I want to use the squared part. So if I press the Windows key and the full stop, and then I pick the omega symbol here, I get the symbols. There's recently used ones here. All the maths ones are in here, and all of these numbers here are superscripts. So you press that and you get a little 2. So you get the symbol as you would like. If you may know the next answer is 300 million, so you might put in your 300 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's quite hard to see, isn't it? So we often put commas, meters per second, so that would be okay as an answer, but you might say I want to put it in scientific notation, so I could put 3 times 10, press my Windows key and the full stop, go to the symbols, go to the mass ones, and press my 8 to put in my meters per second. And I could either put meters per second like that, or I could say a National 5 level and above. I should be using the negative powers, so I can go in here, and the negative one is on the genuine punctuation part here, and next to the paragraph ending one here. You can click that, then you can go back onto the mass numbers, so you can get your answer like that. Okay, you might also want to use letters and symbols. So you may well know that the Greek letter lambda is used for wavelength, and that's not on the normal keyboard, but if you press the Windows emoji keyboard, you can click the symbols and then you can go to the Greek symbols and the language symbols here, and there's lambda there, like so. And then submit quiz and you've got all your answers there shown.